Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of BBS Vlogs. Today we are going to visit the farm show here in London, Ontario. This farm show is all about the agriculture and farmers of Canada or inside the London and or maybe outside the London. So yeah, part of assignment I'm making this video. Let's see and explore the farm show. Very Okay guys, I think that's all for the day, and farm show was good and we collected so many stuff, more than the knowledge. And yeah, obviously we collected so many knowledges from different farmers all over Canada and all over the Ontario state. And yeah, there was a great experience. Thank you so much Fansa College for providing this opportunity. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope to see you in next video guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share, and just tell me what should I improve on my next videos, upcoming videos. Your suggestions are really appreciated. See you in next video guys.